summer. 5th, 6th, 7th, we'll see you guys next year. 8th grade, best of luck in your high school career and where your future takes you. Today, I'd like to recognize a very special student who truly stands out, someone who shows what it means to be accountable, to grow, work as a team, and value family. This student takes responsibility for their actions, owns their mistakes, always tries to do the right thing, even when no one is watching, even though we know Kehoe is always watching. They have shown growth, not just in their academics, but how they've handled adversity and kept pushing forward to have a positive impact. They listen to others, encourage them to do their best, but most importantly, they treat their classmates and their teachers like family, showing kindness, respect, and care. He is small but mighty, but has a heart of gold. He'll be dearly missed. I'm proud to announce my Sledgehammer recipient, Jason Meredith.
Next year will be year number 20 for me, and I want to thank Philip P. for giving me my very first Sledgehammer Award. Now it is time for me to pass it on to a student who inspires me. From the moment she entered my 5th grade classroom nearly 4 years ago, this student radiated warmth and benevolence. She was a kind and caring person in our classroom community, always the peacemaker, yet unafraid to stand up for others. She was a diligent student, participating often, completing her homework and assignments, asking questions, and including others. After she left my 5th grade classroom, I continued to watch her shine on stage in our school musicals and act as a leader within Attales. Soon she will be going to high school, where I know she will continue to shine. Julianna, watching you up reminds me of why I chose this profession, and I know that you are going to make a positive difference in our world because you are such an exceptional human being.
Next hammer comes from Miss Sharp.
Stands out in so many ways, both for the kindness in his heart and the style of his wardrobe. He brings a sense of unity and care to our school, whether it's offering help to a fellow student, making sure no one feels left out, or encouraging others with a smile. He shows what it means to be a true teammate and a member of our school family. With a sharp eye for style, he always arrives dressed to impress, perfectly coordinated outfits, expresses his personality, creativity, and confidence in every look. It's not just the clothes, it's the way he carries himself with positivity and pride that truly shines. Watching him grow last year reminded me of the reasons why I became a teacher, to watch the students grow, not only academically, but also as kind, thoughtful, and confident individuals. He inspired me and everyone around him to be better and to do better. For these reasons and more, I am proud to present Aamir Howard.
basketball season. As the youngest and smallest on the court on our team this year, this student portrayed a hardworking and positive attitude and showed determination. Lealani Davis,
don't forget to sign it today. We'll have it up in the office. I got a permanent marker. You'll sign it. That way you'll be a part of that history for however long it lasts. Definitely lasts longer than me. For the next thing, there's another hammer presentation that I got to give out. I joke around a lot that, you guys see me and I'm just always so happy and I'm never grumpy and all that type of stuff. And just always coming with a positive attitude. But not everybody sees that all the time. And only the people that I'm I consider truly I'm close with, that I have mutual respect with, see the grumpy side of me sometimes. And they still like me. As hard as that is to believe, they still like me. And there's one person in particular that this year has just done an amazing job. She is the smiling face in the office. She answers the calls. She buzzes people in. She is never in a grumpy mood, even though I may not always be in the best mood. And so, the honors prize, there's just so much work that she does that not everybody appreciates. Things just happen. The graduation tonight is going to hopefully go off perfectly, and that is all because of one person. And nobody would really appreciate that because they would just think, okay, everything went well. But there's a ton of work that goes into that. And I do want to recognize and present the hammer to Miss Clarke because